Well, I think it's not it's not the best solution to make like law-based restrictions or limitations, and I think we should learn to use the technology responsibly. Well, while I was at the University of Helsinki, it was called Cicero Learning Network, and part of that network was also the brain scientists. And I think that nowadays we need even more the brain scientists to help education people to take control of the technology, of the technological based tools. So I think we gave the tools, but we didn't teach teachers enough to teach how to use those tools. We realized that kids don't know how to use the tools in pedagogically meaningful ways, but somehow we didn't get our voice like big enough, so that we didn't have enough resources to teach teachers to use technology in a responsible way. So